Imagine going from $0 a month on YouTube to making $150 a day without ever showing your face. Hey, I want to share my story with Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. I started knowing almost nothing about YouTube automation my first few months. Honestly, I barely made $100 a month, but I joined Matt's free webinar, learned the strategies step by step, and followed his system closely. Fast forward a few months. I went from $100 a month to $1,000 a month to $3,500 to $4,500 a month. It's not magic. It's smart work, following a proven system, and staying consistent. Matt's course teaches you everything: picking profitable niches, creating faceless videos, and scaling your channels. Even beginners can start seeing results fast if you follow the method. And the best part? You can start for free with his webinar and see how the system works before investing in the full course. Don't wait. Click the link, join the free training, and start building your YouTube channel step by step. Your financial freedom could start sooner than you think.